tired of being alone. I want to get married. I want children.
Oh, girl, be patient. He'll come around.
Well, he's pressuring me, you know, to have sex. I mean, he knows how I feel, right? Why would he try to make me fall like that?
Hold on. Nobody can make you fall. In the same way he can cause you to sin, you can cause him to sin as well. See, that's an act that takes two people. See, women always like to think it's the male, it's the bad guy. I'm sure.
Excuse me. I mean, I thought you were on my side. I mean, I told you to help me, not to judge me.
Tanya, she's not judging you.
Yes, she is.
Don't take it offensive. She's not judging you. She's telling you the way it is, girl. You're our friend. But most importantly, you're our sister in Christ.
No, but he says he's a man of God. He says he loves the Lord. He has a good job. He's handsome. He's funny. He's got money. Been everything that I prayed for.
Done. And same brings on so many disguises. You know? So many disguises trying to fool you, you know? But guess what? You know, if Mr. Miles a bad man, I really don't know. But he can change. You see, people do, you know. You just need to hate this man. Not the sunshine. Tanya. God knows the desires of your heart, girl. He hears your prayers. If you're to be married, he will send you a husband. But are you really prepared to hear that it is not Miles? Girl, when I met Eric, I prayed for someone to love me the way that God does. You just have to decide, girl.